He was a sweet boy, never mean to cause no trouble. Couldn't help but be polite. Probably learned it from his mother. He's a complicated type. A complicated type. A complicated type. Grew up real fast, just like Caroline and Pine. He hid his drugs under his Bible, mixed his whiskey with his wine. He had a sparkle in his eye, like just before you cry, like right before you cry. Whoa. It was a long night. He'd been sitting at the bar when they turned off all the lights. He started looking for his car, but when his eyes began to gleam and the lights started to stream, well, he slipped into a dream. Well, now almost folks dream of money, love, and hope. His world, violent crashing waves and bodies swinging tied to ropes, while his whole family laughed aloud, hovering above a crowd who for help were screaming out. Whoa. Well, I'm nobody, there's nothing I can do to bring anyone back to life. But I know that I should try to tell the truth and to fight for the right side. Came to was if he'd been dead for years, and the wind was blowing hard. Both his eyes were full of tears, but a change had taken place. You could see it on his face, man, you could see it on his face. And on the way home, he found a bottle in the road and thought of all the explanations that he felt that he was owed. And as he kicked it down the street, he felt lighter on his feet, and he couldn't help but sing.